In this video, I'll show you how to set up Woocommerce on WordPress. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Plugins and click Add New. Search for Woocommerce, then install and activate the official plugin. Next, the Woocommerce setup wizard will open automatically. Follow the prompts to enter your store details, including your business location, industry, and the type of products you plan to sell. After that, configure your store settings. Choose your currency, set your preferred payment methods, and enter your shipping options if you're selling physical products. Now go to Woocommerce, then Settings, to review your store configuration. You can update your tax settings, shipping zones, customer accounts, and email notifications at any time. Next, start adding products by going to Products and clicking Add New. Enter the product name, description, price, images, and inventory information, then publish the product. Once your products are ready, test your store by adding an item to the cart and completing a sample checkout to make sure everything is working correctly. Finally, customize your store with a WooCommerce compatible theme and install any additional plugins you need to expand your store's functionality. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up WooCommerce on WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.